Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and support your axle. Remove the vehicle's wheel and remove the bolt securing your leaf spring to the mount. Push the leaf spring down and out of the way. You may need to work on both leaf springs at the same time to allow enough clearance for the installation. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Measure 1/4 inch up from the bottom of the frame and mark off your cut line. Step 3. Begin cutting the mount off along your cut line. Grind down the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide your leaf spring section onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the frame section to the frame. Confirm its fitment and weld the part on fully. Weld 100% around all edges. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your leaf spring, your wheel, and you're done.